Hey, what's up everyone? John Villarreal here, sales manager at Audi Coral Springs. Look at what rolled up here. Haven't seen one of these bad boys for a while. A Dodge Viper ACR. This is a track-ready machine right here. You can see that monstrous wing right up there for that massive downforce. You see the cross-drilled rotors with the huge brake calipers. You've got that nice ACR sticker right there on the vehicle, and you can see the setup. I mean, you've got that aero kit right there for more downforce in the front, carbon fiber all over this machine. It just looks so tough. This is a woo. Look at that width on that thing. Look at the aggressiveness, and you can see the extra action right here for more downforce. This is no joke. This thing's got monstrous horsepower and monstrous torque. This is just a race machine. You can see that hood right there. It's got the V10 in there, that just insane displacement of that engine. This is an awesome, awesome car. Really cool to see it. You let me know what you think about this. Give me the comments below. Please subscribe. Please rate this video up. Also, please post on your social networking sites. Thanks so much for watching. I'm John D. Villarreal. I'll see you next time.